Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Shri Sai Guru channel. This is Reshma. Today's topic is about data handling. Topic name is bar graph. I took some exercise from exercise 3.3. See here. First question. Use the bar graph. 3.3 figure number 3.3. You have to see figure number 3.3 to answer the following questions. Which is the most popular pet and how many students have dog as a pet? See here, to answer for this question, we have to see the bar graph. First of all, understand the bar graph. The bars are constructed on x-axis, and on the x-axis it is given name of the pets, and on the y-axis the number of students. I mean how many students have these animals have as a pets. That's all. See here, on the y-axis it is divided as 1 centimeter as 2 students, 4 students, 6, like this way. Which is the most popular pet? See in the second bar it represents cats. The height of the second bar is small. That means so more number of the students have cats as a pet animal because its height is more, and least number of the students who have rabbits as pet animal. So its height is very less here. So only 2 students have rabbits as a pet animal. But question is given not for it is not for rabbits and all. One more question is given: how many students have a dog as a pet? So first bar represents the number of the students who have dog as a pet animal. So here the top of this bar represent number 8. I mean 8 students have dogs as a pet animal. That's all. These are the answer for the first and the second question for the from the graph number 1. First one is what is the most popular pet? Cat is the most popular pet. How many students have a dog as a favorite pet? How many students here? Yes, 8 students have dogs as a favorite. I mean dogs as a pet. That's all. This way you have to give the answer. And for the second graph, see here, I'm moving on the second bar graph. So here the informations regarding in how many years how many books were sold. And the years are given here. At what year how many books were sold? 5 consecutive years are given here. 89 to 93. 89 to 93. So here the year is the number of years. 5 years are denoted on the x-axis. Number of the books sold on the y-axis. Question number 1 is what? Yes. Read the bar graph which shows the number of books sold by the bookstore during 5 consecutive years and answer the following questions. About how many books were sold in 89, 90 and 92? Yes, 89. This bar represents the year 1989. It's nearest to 200 books were sold. So here on the y-axis the scale is taken as 1 centimeter as 100 books. I mean 1 millimeter as 10 books over. If 1 centimeter means 100 books means 1 millimeter means 10 books. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So such a way the scale is taken here. See, I can say that about 180 books were sold in 89. About 460 books, I mean nearest to 500. Yes, about 460 books were sold in 1990 And one more is what? 1992. In 1992, how many books sold? So see here, we should see the top of the bar. It is in between 200 and 300. It's about 220. You can estimate the answer. You can guess the answer. 220 books were sold in 1992. So this is the answer for the first question. Second, in which year? Yes, in which year were about 475 books sold and 225 books sold? 475. Yes, 475. It is represented by the second bars. Yes. See, in the last one is 1993. In this year, the more books were sold. Maximum number of the books were sold in that year. We can't take this one. So 475. So it is in between 400 to 500. So we can say that in 1990, 475 books were sold. Yes. Second one, 225. So 225. See, these two bars are in between. Look at the height of the bars. It is in between 200 and 300. So here the question is 225. But see, in the 1991, it shows almost it is nearest to 300. See, this is nearest to 300. And in 1992, about 225 books were sold. These two bars are in between 200 and 300, but in 1991, almost 300 books were sold. It is estimated value. So that here it is, I should take 1992. 1992 is nearest to 225. Therefore, in 1992, about 225 books were sold. So this is the answer for the second bar. Few more questions are there. I will discuss on next video. Yes, please. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe Sri Sai Guru channel. Thank you.